runs cold within my veins. Fire burns deep in my soul. Fear of losing all I know tries to pull and take control.
A million daggers cut so deep. I try to pray but cannot speak. Lord, I'm reaching, hear my cry. I need you now, don't pass me by.
Let it rain, let your grace pour over me. Wash my soul and set me free. You're healing every pain. Let it rain. You're the calm within the storm, breaking chains and making whole. Lord, wash away my shame.
I wonder if I'll heal again. Will these broken pieces mend? Can your mercy flood my soul? Make the shattered pieces whole.
The fire inside is growing cold. I need your love to take control. Come and pour your mercy down. Let your grace fall all around. Let it rain. Let your grace pour over me. Wash my soul and set me free. You're healing every pain. Let it rain. You're the calm within the storm, breaking chains and making whole. Lord, wash away my shame.
Falling from the sky,
Let the heavens testify.
I bow before my King today.
Begging for just one more way.
Let it rain, let your grace pour over me. Wash my soul and set me free. You're healing every pain.
Let it rain. You're the hope that never fades, lifting me in endless grace. Lord, let it rain.
Lord, let it rain down on me.